Is the coronavirus is the only problem that we are facing right now? If you are thinking so, then the answer is no. An additional problem that we are facing right now is price hike. कोरोना वायरस के चलते इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने 25 मार्च 2020 से नेशन वाइड लॉकडाउन इम्पोज किया। लॉकडाउन की वजह से एसेंशियल सर्विस को छोड़कर सारी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज को बंद करना पड़ा। बट एज फॉर नाउ, when the government are giving relaxation, the people start facing another big problem, which is price hike. Commodities which experience price hike are petrol, diesel and smartphones. Not talking about smartphones. स्मार्टफोन्स के प्राइस बढ़ने का रीजन यह नहीं है कि मैन्युफैक्चरर ने या स्मार्टफोन कंपनीज ने प्राइस बढ़ाया है, बट इट्स एक्चुअली द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया दैट्स बिहाइंड व्हाई आवर नेक्स्ट स्मार्टफोन वुड बी अ मोर एक्सपेंसिव अफेयर। इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने 1 अप्रैल 2020 से मोबाइल फोन्स पर जीएसटी को 12% से हटाकर 18% कर दिया। ड्यू टू दिस रीजन ओनली आवर मोबाइल फोन्स हैव शोन इंक्रीजिंग ग्राफ। According to a report that was published in 2016, 1 in every 3 households in India owns a two-wheeler. It means in today's scenario most of us are having a vehicle. Therefore, डीजल और पेट्रोल के प्राइस का बढ़ना और पैनिक सिचुएशन क्रिएट करता है। The price of petrol and diesel have shown the increasing graph for 23 consecutive days. Before the country entered the lockdown, the average price of petrol and diesel in Delhi was rupees 69.60 per liter and rupees 62.30 per liter. But for now, in the national capital, the price of petrol is 80.43 per liter and for diesel it is 80.53 per liter. So why the price of petrol and diesel is increasing? The main reason for the spike in the petrol and diesel rate is high central and state levies that was imposed when the global oil price was very low. Now, let me amaze you. इंडिया में पेट्रोल एंड डीजल पर 69% टैक्स लगता है, जो कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में किसी भी कंट्री के कंपैरिजन सबसे ज्यादा है। ब्रिटेन में ये 62% है, जापान में 47% और यूएसए में सिर्फ 19%। आखिर गवर्नमेंट ऐसा कर क्यों रही है? Why the government is increasing taxes? Government revenues in India decreased to rupees 275.48 billion in April from 17,507.27 billion in March of 2020. The 40 days lockdown period have a huge impact on the revenue of the center and the state government. So, in order to tackle with this problem, the government start increasing taxes. Because revenue generation का टैक्स ही एक मेन सोर्स है. That is why the price of these commodities is rising. How this price increase will affect us? According to an estimate from the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, around 122 million people in India lost their job in the month of April. And also people working in the private sectors are not getting their wages on time. If this is the condition, then how they can bear the burden of increased taxes? Price hike is adversely affecting their life. Before increasing the prices, the government should look at the present condition of the people, because every single action of government have a huge impact on 1.38 billion people. Share your views about this situation in the comment section. If you like this video, please like and share it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel.
Audio Jungle.